Doing a quick unboxing of this wheel bearing removal tool set from Vevor. Here are the specs. It looks like it weighs about 24 pounds. I'll verify that later. I'll rip this open with a box cutter. Nice red case. Looks like they slapped a basic sticker on here. It's good they put a zip tie here to protect during shipping from it opening. Cut this zip tie right here. Just push up on the clips. I'll show how to fix the other clip later. And whoops, I missed one clip.
Side. Right there.
Came with an instruction manual.
Wheel bearing removal toolkit. Says how to do it.
And this shows how to use it. Yeah, decent instructions. Now to remove the thin padding. Nice feel for these wheel bearings. Wow, this is a full kit with many sizes. Here's a close-up. Push these clips now.
Weighs 21 pounds and 4 ounces.
I'll show how to fix this clip now.
Interesting design. Make sure the side is open. You can see that. This goes up here, so just kind of open this a little bit so this round piece can fit in the kind of like the middle. Okay. Yep, just push up. There we go. It's in. And then remember to push the side. There you go.
I'll put a link to this item in the description. Interesting case design, but solid wheel bearings. What do you think? Does this get the job done? You be the judge. Anyway, like, subscribe, and bye till the next one.